Hi, I'm Sarah from Max Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the Focusrite Scarlett 18i8 third generation. If you're looking for an affordable yet high quality audio interface with a lot of input and output options, the Focusrite Scarlett 18i8 third generation is an excellent choice. It is great for musicians, producers, and podcasters who want professional grade audio without breaking the bank. It has 18 inputs and 8 outputs, which gives you plenty of flexibility for recording multiple sources simultaneously. 4 Scarlett mic preamps, which are known for their clean, transparent sound, and finally 2 additional instrument inputs. It is a solid performer for anyone needing multiple inputs and outputs, especially for larger sessions or live recordings. The sound quality is fantastic and the interface very easy to use and makes it a great option for beginners or experienced professionals who need a reliable and mobile solution.